Hey lovelies, today's video is a bit of a first impressions on a hot tool that has been like taking my Instagram feed by storm. It is literally the only hot tool I have seen pop up in my feed for like months now. And when I saw it and I saw how beautiful all the girls' hair looked and all the guys that were using it too, and I saw the actual tool itself was hot pink, it was a must-have product for me. I had to get it, I had to try it, and so now it's finally here, and it is the Mermade waving tool. Like, check out those girls' hair. It's so long and beautiful. So this is a hot tool waving prong product. So I have actually had something similar to this many moons ago. Like, it would have been like 7 years ago, and it was an actual waving tool. It wasn't a crimper. I also have a crimper. I literally have the same crimper my mum had when she was a teenager, but the actual tool that I had was a wave tool that I got from Priceline, but the barrels were a lot smaller than this. I believe these barrels are like 32 millimeters, so they're quite a large barrel, and the way the hot tool works is it helps to give you like those really perfect beachy waves. It gives like a really tussled, like just like a really sort of soft minimalistic looking hairstyle that like also looks so much more like impactful than straight hair. I don't know how to describe it, but I'm really excited to see how it looks in my hair. You guys know I often just wear my hair straight. I never really do much to it. I've only just sort of branched out into curling recently because of my recent wedding, but I'm really enjoying switching up my hair. So without further ado, let's just get stuck into actually trying it out. It goes from 80 degrees to 210 degrees, and it also has an auto shut off, which is amazing. It has crystal tourmaline, I don't even know how to say that, ceramic. So it's a ceramic barrels that are 32 millimeters that help to reduce frizz and flyaways. It's meant to leave long lasting waves. It's got a swivel cord for easy handling. And yeah, that's really all there is to it. So they've got a couple of different styles that they say you can do on the box. There's defined, messy, and sleek. So they're the 3 different hairstyles. Let me open this up and show you it, because oh gosh, it's so cute. Like, look, it is pink, and you guys know I am like, if pink vomited on everything that I owned and then my whole life was colored in pink, I would not be mad. That's how much I love pink. But it's quite a large tool, like it's pretty hefty. It's nearly as big as my head though. It's a pretty big tool. I sort of was like worried I might burn myself with it, but I just realized they actually give you a heat protectant glove, and it's also pink. And I just love how it's got that swivel end. Can you see that? A lot of hair tools do not have that, and that's amazing. And then as you can see, it has like the clamp. So when you're clamping your sections of hair, you use that little prong thing. Gosh, she is very girthy. Then you've got the little LCD screen. I'm just going to like have a little play with it before I turn it on. Oh yeah, definitely going to need to wear the glove. So what you would do is the hand that you're using the prong with, you don't wear the glove on, you wear the glove on the opposite hand where you're pulling the hair, because you're likely going to have this hand very close to the actual ceramic barrels, and just make sure you don't burn your face obviously as well, because this will all heat up. So rule of thumb, don't wear the glove on the hand that's using this, wear it on the opposite hand. So let me go ahead and plug this in. I'm going to put on some music and stuff while I'm sort of like doing it and sectioning my hair, just so I can concentrate on actually getting it done right. And then like I'll give you guys like my overview opinion of it after I've actually used the tool. Just because I really like listening to music while I'm getting shit done. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, I've just finished. Look, I'm not gonna lie, it was a little bit difficult to maneuver the tool just because it is quite heavy and it does get very hot, but I think just like with anything, practice makes perfect. I feel like next time I would probably not do the waves so close to my roots just because it looks a little bit funny around the roots, but maybe if I tousled my hair. Yeah, if I tousle my hair. Oh, but then that looks kind of straight. I probably need to back comb it a little bit. But I really love how it gives like these beautiful, like tousled, soft beach waves vibe. Like, I think that this looks so pretty and it gives your hair so much volume. Like my hair is definitely a lot more like bigger than what it usually is. But like I think I really like it. What do you guys think? I just need to figure out what to do with my actual part and how to let my hair sit. Maybe if I chuck some hairspray on. Yeah, let me get a little bit of hairspray while the hot tool cools down. Let's do a little bit of hairspray and let's do a little clip in the side because that might look real pretty. Yeah, look, I'm feeling it. I feel like I'm definitely going to be using this a lot. Like I feel very retro, but in the best way possible. Okay, so in summary, I'm flippin' obsessed. I definitely need to practice more to get like my technique down pat, but holy moly, I think my hair looks so cute and it's so nice to switch it up from just having straight hair all the time. I feel like I'm definitely getting in to like experimenting with hairstyles a little bit more. Still like typically out because I don't really like wearing my hair up, but definitely experimenting more with how my hair looks down. And this just is giving me all the vibes. I love the volume. I love the fact that it's like sort of messy, but still like looks really pretty. I don't know, do you guys know what I mean? I definitely want to try and perfect like sleeker waves with it. I think as I master like the weight of the actual device and how to hold it, depending on like what style crimping sort of waving I want, I'll get better at that particular technique. But I'll keep you guys updated, and as I like learn little bits and bobs, I'll definitely update you guys on Instagram and stuff. So if you're not following me there and you want to stay up to date with like little tutorials and stuff, definitely check out my Insta. It's where I'm the most active these days, especially. And yeah, so I definitely recommend. I'm going to leave this linked in the description box for you guys. I think it's well worth the money. It feels very amazing quality. The ceramic barrels are definitely very nice. A couple of things to keep in mind is you just have to be careful because it is such a large hot tool. It is very easy to burn yourself. I did nick my ear just twice, and I actually nicked it with this little metal bit here. So just be careful when you're using it. I think it is a hot tool. It definitely would be easier if someone was actually doing your hair. So if you're like going on a night out with your girlfriends or something and you're getting ready together, maybe get your girlfriend to actually do it for you. I feel like you get really nice waves as well, like really defined waves if you had someone else doing it for you, but it's certainly manageable by yourself, like with your own two hands as well. So yeah, make sure you give this video a thumbs up for me if you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Do you like my hair? Do you think it looks cute? I'm definitely feeling it. So thank you so much for all of you who have watched to the very end. You know the drill. You're my MVP squad and I love you to pieces, and I'll be seeing you in the comment section and in my next video. Thanks for watching. I shouldn't wave this around because it's still hot.